although the intro refers to making the wagons, there's no instruction. I'm not giving any instructions, just do what it says on the packet that came with the kit. When I bought my Roundhouse Clarence tram, it wasn't directly from Roundhouse, it was from another supplier whose name escapes me at the moment, but anyway, the tram came with a free pack of Brandbright Hopper wagon kit bits. There's actually 4 hoppers in this pack. I think the pack normally retails for about £100, but as I say, I didn't pay anything for it. It came with the tram. Candidly, I don't really like making wooden kits, but anyway, as I had these hoppers, I decided to put one together just to see what it looked like, and here is the finished article. There's 3 more to go, obviously. The local hobbycraft shop sells packs of laser cut wooden numbers, which are these, and also wooden letters for general hobby use. Now I thought I would number the hopper wagons, and as you can see, I've glued a number 1 to this first production model. They are a bit chunky, but probably, well, for me they don't look too out of place anyway. Brandbright kits don't seem to come with wheels or couplings, so in this case I've actually turned up some axles and some fairly chunky wheels on my lathe, and also homemade couplings. The chunky wheels are actually a bit of an advantage because the wooden kits are very light, and these wheels lower the centre of gravity significantly, and well, to press actually have avoided any derailing problems that I seem to suffer with the few wooden kits I've got, where I've got shop bolt and very light wheels. So that's the reason for that. First run of the hopper wagons towed by my AccuCraft Lawley at 45mm gauge. personal opinion, but I think actually Craft Lorry was a really excellent little locomotive, quite powerful and very controllable. Pity they don't make it anymore as far as I know. Subsequently, I re-gauged the hopper wagons to 32mm and set them behind my scratch-built homemade Fowler type locomotive. To my eye at least, they still look in keeping. To conclude, I, to my surprise, quite impressed with these hopper wagons, and as opportunity arises I think I'll try and get 4 more. They were free, and to be clear, this is absolutely not a sponsored video.